Okay, today we're going to talk about your innovation, My App Fred. I think it's a catchy name, but is Fred an acronym?
Nope, it's a name I made up on the spot.
Okay, I mean, it's very catchy. I like it, but I think we might be able to add one more, one more interesting detail if we did make those letters, F-R-E-D, into an acronym. So before we do that, let's take a look at your explanation. Are you addicted to social media? Very nice hook, because we know that everybody is, except for me. Whoops, wrong one. Hang on, let's see. I'm going to make that bold. So when your customers see this, they're going to be like, yes.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I use social media. I'm relating.
Relatable,
Amazing.
Absolutely. Yeah, same. Nice, relatable. But the thing is, when you post, we don't always think before we post. Well, with this handy dandy app, Fred, it will let you know the ramifications of what you post. What if Fred was like an actual person and Fred came out and he's like, hey, don't say that.
He's obviously going to have a nice Scottish accent. Like,
oh, he's Scottish?
Yup, I'm making this all up on the spot and it's going to be amazing.
All right, I'm liking it. Okay, let's see. Fred, it will let you know the ramifications of what you post. In this intuitive app, it shows you the chances of something you post having different kinds of effects. It will tell you, see, you can take it and have Fred be the one that tells you these things. Fred will tell you if you have something like a 40% chance of getting in some kind of trouble. Maybe also like what kind of trouble it is.
Yeah, so like if you post something bad, like post something about your principal, you don't know what's going to happen. So Fred here, he's going to come up to you. He's going to come up to you one day just on the streets. Like, you're going to get attention if you post that one thing.
Right, or he'll say there's a 90% chance you will get ISS if you post that thing. Fred will tell you if you have something like a 40% chance of getting into some kind of trouble. Maybe you are 20% safe. Fred is $1.99 in the App Store, right? So we're thinking maybe of personifying Fred, My App Fred. So first, let's try to personify him as an actual character. And then maybe think of an acronym for F-R-E-D, My App Fred. So let's insert WordArt. It's an app, it's like a think before you tweet kind of app. So Fred is going to use his AI technology and analyze what you're going to say and give you, an estimate of what the consequences could be. What does Fred look like? I don't know. Let's do a Google search for Fred and see what we get. Fred. Oh!
I 100% forgot about that.
I 100% forgot about that too.
That is not our idea.
So what if Fred is back and it's this Fred, but like he's all grown up now?
Yup.
So he's not like, hey everybody, it's Fred. I forget what he sounds like. Yep. Let's see. Let's take a trip down memory lane here. Fred video. Fred videos. Oh my goodness. He's like, hang on.
I think I'm gonna go swimming later. My mom found this really cool pool at the dump. It's really big and really deep.
Okay, cut. So your Fred, we can put like a high-pitched helium voice into him.
I think I might drown. And
Legitimately forgot about him.
so I got a letter in the mail. It might be from.
Why don't we make our own Fred and just give him a silly voice? Like I feel like he would look like maybe like the Android robot a little bit.
It would look like a square.
Wait, yeah. So let's find the cube, the 3D shaped cube. on this one page. So we moved Jake's Google Drawing onto a Google Slides project so that we'd have more space to expand. Next, as soon as we had more room, we came up with some better words to use for the acronym. Instead of reminder, friendly, robotic. What was our E?
Eliminated.
Eliminator
See, this is what helps when you bring 7 other
of drama. Exactly, because the more feedback we get,
people.
the better it becomes.
Alright, Nate, you wanna come up? I mean, Steven?
Okay, friendly,